Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to make hidden line in AutoCAD. Let's start. First we will remove the grid of this AutoCAD. To remove the grid, we have to click here. The grid is off now. To make a hidden line, first we have to create a solid line. I select the line here. Specify the first point on the screen. You can enable ortho mode by clicking here and you give the distance of this line. Zoom and extend. Now this solid line is created. To make this one hidden line, we have to select here to open the line type manager. Click others and here the line type manager will open. There is another way. You type here L type, enter, and the line type manager will also open from the command prompt. Now you click on load and load and reload line types. Scroll it down. Select hidden. Okay. Okay. And now to make this solid line to hidden line, we have to select this one first and we have to type ch, change properties, enter. And here we have to click on line type, select here and select hidden line. So our solid line is created to the hidden line. You can increase and decrease the size of this line. Click on line type scale here. If you want to increase, first you have to select the line. And then I will give it to line type scale. You can see that the line scale is changed. So in this way, we can convert solid line to hidden line. And now if you want to start a line from hidden, let's for example, when I select, you can see the line is solid. And you want to start this line hidden automatically, we have to select here and select on hidden first. And now if you select this line, the line will start hidden. You can see that the line is hidden. You can increase and decrease the size by typing here LTS and make it to, you can see that the size scale of the line is changed. Now onward, whatever draw you will select, let's say if you want to draw a circle here and the circle will start hidden only. You can see here because our starting line is hidden line. Now anything you will draw, it will start with hidden only. Let's say this rectangle here, you can see that until and unless you will come back to by layer here. And now if I will select a rectangle, it will be a solid line. So in this way we can create hidden line in AutoCAD. If you have any comment, please comment in the comment box.